This is Jared with My Healthy Food Quest. I'm here at Winnie's Garden. I'm here to pick some figs from this lovely fig tree. Stay tuned. We have to go great lengths. We have to go great lengths to get figs. These are some of the figs. Here's a fun fact about figs. Figs have a fascinating pollination process. They are not pollinated by bees, but by tiny wasps called fig wasps. These wasps enter the fig's opening to lay their eggs and pollinate the flowers inside. Fortunately, by the time you eat a fig, the wasp has long gone and the fig's enzymes have broken down any remnants. Our figs are washed. What I'm going to do is cut this part off of every fig. It's gonna look like that. And then I will show you guys the next step. The tops of the figs are cut off. These figs that look mushy like this fell from very high in the tree. They're still good. I just made sure that I cleaned them out. And if you see any bugs in it, just try to rinse them out. If you don't get the bugs, just a protein snack for you. So all I'm gonna do here is just cut them all in half. It's boiling. Give everything a little stir, and then we turn the flame down. I'm removing the lemons. I'm gonna allow this to reduce even more. About 30 minutes in.